let's start with the actual camera. This is the GoPro Hero 12. You don't need the GoPro Hero 12 if you're just starting out and you're not doing this for full-time job and all that stuff. It is a great camera to have, and if you have the funds to get it, I would highly suggest that it records really well. So you're gonna need a GoPro, all right? With the GoPro, you're gonna need some batteries. I've got 3 of the endurance batteries right here, so I never have a time where I run out of battery. I always have batteries ready. So if you plan on going on long road trips, or long bike trips rather, and stuff like that, the batteries are very important, okay? Now, after you have the battery, you're gonna need an SD card, and not just the SD card out of your old junk drawer. You're gonna need like a, what is this here? The SanDisk Extreme Plus. So this is gonna be good for 4K and stuff like that. So this SD card is very important to get. You want probably anywhere from 128 to 256 gigs of storage of memory on your SD card. That way you're not riding and all of a sudden, oopsies, I don't have any more storage. This will hold a lot of storage. So we've got the battery, the SD card, and the camera. Now, how do you hook the camera up to the helmet? That's where the media mod comes in. So this is a media mod. So let's go ahead and throw the camera in the media mod. You guys can see, look, watch, this simple. Slides in, boom. The media mod closes. Now your GoPro's inside of the media mod. Now you've got these 2 little doors that come down on the GoPro. You guys can see them right there. You're gonna need a screw, okay? The screw is gonna go through there and hold the GoPro to your helmet, but we need to figure out how to hold the GoPro to the helmet. In order to do that, we've got one of these handy devices right here you can get off of Amazon. I will leave a link down below for this. But any motorcycle helmet, connector, whatever, however you wanna do it, this is basically going to wrap around the front of your helmet. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you know how to ride a motorcycle, I assume you would know how to make one of these work. This goes around the front part. The GoPro connects to this, all right? So put the GoPro on, put the screw in, you're recording yourself, all right? Now, we've got all of that done. You're gonna need the helmet, obviously. Inside the helmet, I have put myself an audio jack, you guys can see right here, and the microphone. This is one cord, by the way, so it's a 2-prong audio jack with a lavalier mic that I stuff inside the helmet right around the mouth area right here. This audio jack will come out and plug directly into the hole on the media mod. Boom. And it'll sit on the mount on the front of the helmet, and you are now recording to your GoPro. I'm not gonna go into depth on how to use every piece of technology. I'm just showing you guys the stuff you need, the hardware you need in order to do this, all right? You can look up further videos on perfect audio and whatnot online. But so now you're completely recording everything. You're gonna wanna take your data from your GoPro to your computer. So you can use that with a USB-C to a USB-C or a USB to a USB. You're gonna need a computer, ladies and gentlemen, all right? If you're gonna wanna make good videos, you're gonna need some sort of a computer, even if it's a low budget computer, you're gonna need that. Now, once you get the data off of your GoPro, you're gonna wanna edit it. Now there's a couple programs you can use to do this. You've got Adobe Premiere, you've got the Apple Final Cut, which I've used both of these for hundreds of videos and they're both great. I know there's DaVinci Resolve, which is like a free program, and I guess that thing is like, that is pretty industry like standard type stuff, so that definitely can work. And then you're gonna edit your videos, you're gonna upload them to YouTube. But all in all, I just showed you everything that you're gonna need to basically do your very first moto vlog. We'll go over it one more time. Camera, SD card, battery, screw, mount, helmet and you don't need a helmet with the mic in it. This is literally just a cord. I'll show you guys a picture. It's literally a cord and I just stuffed it in my helmet. A media mod, some sort of a USB to get the footage off of the camera onto the computer. You're gonna need a computer. You're gonna need one of the editing softwares, and you can go online and look at how to use those editing softwares. But I figured I would just try to do this to help out a little bit because I get so many questions about it. So that's basically how I do the moto vlogs in is it 2020? Did I say 2020? All right, you know what? I'm gonna clickbait you guys and say 2024. All right, thank you guys for watching. I got a really cool Sauron video that's gonna be coming out here soon. So make sure to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.